One injury on the job can cost thousands. Do you actually know what workers' compensation covers? Workers' compensation is there to protect your employees and your business when someone gets hurt or sick because of work. It covers medical bills from ER visits to physical therapy, lost wages, a portion of income if the employee can't work during recovery, retraining if they need to learn a new skill because they can't return to their old job, permanent disability, financial support for lasting injuries, death benefits, help for the family if the worst happens. This isn't just for big construction accidents. Slips, strains, and repetitive injuries count too. Without it, you're risking your finances and your compliance with the law. Next Insurance makes getting workers' comp simple. Apply online, get covered fast. Use the link in the description to get your instant quote today.